Snowstorm. Get this shit here. What side of the road am I driving? Where I'm going? See, it's gonna snowing. I'm up off the top. I don't know where I'm going. But they see the speed limit there's 45. But the snow is rising up in the road so high. And then you see it dripping. The tires start slipping. As soon as they gripping, then you know this gear is shifting. And I'm gonna go down with the freaking snow. I'm coming back up down to Decay Town. What you gonna know? I need to go to the stove, but I don't want to go. So let me just know. Oh, what the fuck? How I'm gonna get a red light in the snow? Huh? All I wanna do. Oh, I can't stop. Oh. 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 Look at this guy right here peeling out. Go, 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 go. Oh. What about this guy? Rear wheel drive. Go, go. Follow him. Follow that guy peeling out in the BMW. I don't think I want to go that way. I think I'm going this way. If I can. Let's go. Let's go. Through the snow. Follow these guys. Man, look at that snow. What the hell? Go. Chance. Oh, loaded. Good loaded. Car dealership. Let's buy me a car. I want the one with the snow all over it. Yeah. Oh no, I see people spun out up here. No. Come on. Get stuck in front of me. Don't stop. No. Don't stop, man. He's stuck. Go. Man, you gonna get us all stuck. Oh no, they're sliding. Fuck. No. Oh, go around them. Knew I shouldn't have went this way. Fucking shit. Turn the hazards on. Oh yeah, push his ass. Push, push, push. Yeah. Go, 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 go. Oh man.
Atlanta's Party Station, the new Wild 105.7 and 96.7. Don't forget, we got all the details. What schools are going to be closed tomorrow, how the traffic's going to be looking, everything because of this weather, okay? WildAtlanta.com. Make sure you check that out, okay?
Come on, guys.
David J out. See you tomorrow at 2 p.m. with Thomas' entire crew by request on Wild.
Come on, look, this guy's going. Oh, man.
Anybody as bomb as me. So you can take this chance in the end. Everybody's gonna be wondering how you feel. You might say this is ludicrous, but tie your crews out how you feel.
Alright guys, I gotta go.